The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ithuh University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Ka jingelang kebelalong kapedeng ke Sorkar Meghalaya ke Sorkar Assam haka arpu atrik unaila raja Briew ha koina dhara state guest house klaya thirsani bah lor kijingja hanong ba Shillong haka khat kendai trik unaila raja Briew ya ka jingelang lalam kemat dau sembut menteri rang ba ka jila uba singa bhalang dha pat menteri ke Sorkar Assam u Atul Bora ringkat ka jing senran lang ki he officer jong ki arli ki Sorkar jila ha bakaran kilap thai kubor u sembut menteri rang ba ka jila uba singa bhalang dhar ula pentip bagi Pulit kila register Khatsan teliki ejahar bat Ithuh dorru ya kisan ngut ki Briew ki Deng mas ki badan keti ban penjulor ya ki kali Sorkar bat ya ki kali ki badan ya registration number ke jela Assam haka jinga rali ke kisu hanong ba Shillong kabalalong haka khat kendai dari unailar aja Briew la pentip bagi Sorkar Meghalaya kala thau ya ke special investigation team ban Ithuh dor ya barok ki runar ki badan keti haka jingja hanong ba Shillong khamtam ya ki bala penjulor ya ki kali ki badan ya registration number ke Assam bat ban pentikna ba ki depan ngat haki kenjeri jong ka an ulo ong bapalat la hajar nyos pa nyop hot ligi kali na ka jela Assam ki balami na Meghalaya banek phai da ka pasuk sha Assam bat ka Assam control room kala yok pedang san pusau teli ki distress calls lani ki jingpan jingrap na ki sispa nyop san ngut ki Briew ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala pentip ba ka control room kala pedang laispa nyop kedai teli ki distress call lani ki jingpan jingrap na ka benta ban senran lang ha ka balek phai sha ka jela Assam uba daharu la pentip babun na ki Briew bat ki kali ki belasakut kentup ru komba sauspa hadu sanspa teli ki kali ki bedang dan ha Meghalaya ki la lek phai sha Assam ka jingelang kala rai ban thau ya ka permanent district level joint committees ka ba kentup ya u deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi bat u deputy commissioner ke Kamrup metropolitan ringkat bat ki Pulit.
After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, Government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and assured to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the key issue leaders. The Government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The Government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 marks persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The Government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure their prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the Government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far, and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of standard vehicles. Most of the standard travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier held or in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including Dumiam lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. Dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating stranded individuals. WhatsApp number is 91 810 1488 and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees and permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising deputy commissioners Ngut and deputy commissioner Kamru Metropolitans, along with police officer on the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. Joint Committee on Tourist Transport. A joint committee comprising the Commission and Secretary level transport authorities of both states, along with the representative of the tourist vehicle associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Valley through Meghalaya, and similarly, necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other part of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya. The purpose of this meeting to bring normalcy, you know very well, and it's my request actually. Both Assam and Meghalaya, we are a brother and sister. Especially the two cities, the two states, we are really a brother and sister. Yes, maybe there is some lapses, there is some here and there, but whatever may be, our duty as government, we work very hard and we work very unitedly under the advice of both the chief minister. And that is the purpose of this meeting to bring normalcy. So we request you also, and I request the people of Meghalaya, the people of Assam, let us be good and calm, so that normalcy will return back in few hours. Yeah, about the nature part. So we, the government, has assigned this thing to our chief secretary. He will examine the matter. We will compensate it as per law. And for people who are those injured, we will come to the government.
What would the government do to resolve the crisis now? Because if you see last 3 days, the kind of blockades that have taken place, and I have reported from both the blockades in Barapari and in Jorabad, I did see a lack of intent from both the government in terms of use of force to clear the highway.
So I think we are very clear after I have read even the joint statement after the initial meeting of the outcome today. Hopefully I think in a very short time, so under the advice of the chief minister and all our officials from both government, I think normalcy should return back very soon.
So we had a long and threadbare discussion, good discussion, and 3 hours discussion. We have taken some resolutions, and with the consent of the both honorable chief ministers, Assam and Meghalaya, we have already issued a joint press release. I would like to offer both the chief ministers, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, for his prompt action, and I would like to offer my thanks to Konrad Changmaji for his willingness to resolve the issue soon.
There is resentment and anger right in Meghalaya that during the first 2 days there was no action from Meghalaya government.
no action has been taken. After the incident took place, within 2 hours, police has arrested those leaders. Who told you action? Our government is very pro-action. The same hour, not even after the incident, immediately, I think within 2 hours, we have arrested them.
And why was there any intelligence failure?
That's why we are forming SIT, so we'll examine properly and you'll be able to know after 10 minutes SIT's report. Menurut saya budaya baru di arus kecil besar ini baru kecil besar dong asam, baru kecil besar dong kelasa pakai sama kecil kiai dengan isu. Nama baru ini don kini kerja ba bangsa temat atau ini apa sih berada. Negara kecil kiai pun besar nama ba nimso kuat nimso lah sampai begitu juni positif safar kampan kedunaga bang kedunaga di kami berada. Wilayah pandang ministry dekat dengan chief secretary bagi principal secretary home bagi consent secretary kedua don lang menkirai juga besar. Hadin lagi kita kita ini apa kali kerja bagi government of Assam dan government Korea dengan Paul Southman ba habapun kaji kan kalau bahasa iso. Kau don katu kali ini hanya perhad andai habapun sentuh yang bangunan yang sarkar ini. Don katu kali kita lagi begina Ithuh ba don katu kani dalam ngala ken ga ini berapa di don ban katu kani di menghapai umang ayu nagaling di social media ban nagaju di bro arni sarkar man ba ngin persang ni ban man ra ya basuka san kumbujuwan awal misong tu kala bandon galing dik katu kani hapon gelai safi hande misong tu gani ayu ka continue kan sen suto madu ka ba madu ka di adu kini nama kan problem ini. And hadin juga discussion kung balay kita ay dari government official from Assam dan government official from the state government ila po sa gisungtong ba min persang nagaling sarkar min king no nang nani sa kumam hindi subanjiya kung bajah gini si report balade dahil bu ingi question ma kung bile gini ba involve betul di keturu andai pulis juga belum mengetahui sedang under process, under the job, nama si kilo berarti yang itu buat kamar kini kita persaing berbuat nak kali job polis. Kini kita buat TV, disang sesuatu badon di Briew pula pun meninduk minister balai mio sumbang menunjuk menjadi jabatan di kami so. Nemini sesuatu bangsa yang asal very positive lah, positive discussion. Kami nanti bah KK beroi ilang gobeng biaki naburo kejinggerpa lagi kundu ngastik jongi al kundu ya barok di wek sing balango tong ni long di pajajai inde manong pasite kalau isu ande la manong sarkar kejingkan ni kapli nang ni sakma di kentur kalau di badan bam sahun do ande once month of the government ini kan lang ang beri dulu isu jong Thailand ni kani gini kan di sini sebenarnya ni isu tu ni tak kumi kan more or less kalau try keken mengopian kumi hadin satu mintai kan long normalcy kan long kumujulong ayat pelangkan suku
hada lutfitri salar
Nadun khai thích con
bây là tông xoay ngà cái dia pakai skill de chit ko
Ili mem yor ain gini con me Pai upon kelas tenu chong tangga college stage nem yo
Le me stage nem le tangga we kon bukan Tito
Jadi kasi yang ngayon bisa orang lain mo na
this time
pinai wan ai bam snyai bam sin ai ta papacho families to that means fine for the
Ông use nem Ngủ qua nhà khmat đố Ngủ tê tỏ chan bò rừng khlev
Hey, pass your first division ah.
Con,
Oh, babe.
Congratulations, con.
Thank you, babe.